If you're looking to take your virtual networking to the next level, CrankWheel might just be the tool you need. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through how to use CrankWheel for virtual networking and why it could make your online interactions smoother, more professional, and, most importantly, more efficient. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive deal that could change the way you network online. First, let's get started with CrankWheel's core feature, screen sharing without the hassle. Unlike other platforms that require complicated downloads or signups, CrankWheel allows you to instantly share your screen with anyone directly through a link. No need to ask your potential clients or network partners to download anything. You just send the link, and they can see your screen within seconds. Next thing, CrankWheel is incredibly user-friendly. There's no need for a steep learning curve. Once you log in, you're ready to start sharing your screen with just one click. It's ideal for quick virtual meetings where you need to show something but don't have time for the traditional setup and delay. You can even customize the interface to match your brand, which is a nice touch for business networking. The third thing is its integrations. CrankWheel doesn't just work on its own, it seamlessly integrates with CRM systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoho. That's a big plus if you're in sales or networking within a business environment, as you can directly pull up information or share documents with your contact without switching between apps. The fourth thing is the privacy factor. CrankWheel offers a unique feature. Viewers can only see what you're showing and can't control your screen. That's perfect for virtual networking where you might want to showcase a presentation or a product demo without giving access to sensitive information on your desktop. In a world of rising privacy concerns, this feature could give you peace of mind. But now, let's talk about the limitations. While CrankWheel is great for fast, no-frills screen sharing, it might not be the best fit if you need more robust virtual networking tools. If you're looking for things like video conferencing or more comprehensive collaboration features, CrankWheel doesn't quite hit those marks. It focuses mainly on quick, efficient screen sharing, which can be limiting in some cases. For example, it doesn't offer advanced features like virtual whiteboards or team collaboration tools that others might. Next, let's talk about alternatives. If you're aiming to elevate your virtual networking experience with even more robust features, you might want to consider alternatives like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet. While these platforms offer full video conferencing features, they also come with a steeper learning curve and more setup time. But if you need more than just screen sharing, they could be worth looking into. Now, before you go ahead and try CrankWheel, let me tell you something exciting. I've got an exclusive extended free trial that'll give you more time to test it out for your virtual networking needs. And if you're open to exploring some amazing alternatives, ones that can handle video conferencing, screen sharing, and collaboration all in one, I've got those linked below too. These alternatives also come with their own free trials, so you won't miss out on any perks. So, check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Whether you stick with CrankWheel or try out something else, you've got everything you need to enhance your virtual networking game.